to another episode of Grown with Lalascrops. My name is Latoya Jackson. If you are new to my channel, welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. Thank you guys for all of your support. So in today's video, you guys, I'm really excited because I will be planting the remaining of my seedlings out into the garden today, you guys. I may break this video up in two parts. Today I may just plant my peppers, cabbage, and cantaloupe plants and honeydew plants today. And then part two, I'll probably plant my lettuce and cucumbers. These plants grew very well for me indoors, and so now I am ready to transfer them outdoors. Now don't mind some of these leaves, because that happened because some of these plants are a little too close and I accidentally cut through some of these leaves. So once I have everything in the garden, I do plan on doing another garden tour so that you guys can see how I tied everything together as far as companion planting. I have recently added my Amazon favorites down in my description box if you guys want to check that out. On the list, I provided some of my favorites that I like to use when I'm starting my seedlings, you guys, like trays, pots, seedling trays, of course tags for your plants. I have provided like some of my favorite decorations to add to the garden. And then you guys know it's important to amend your soil and provide nutrients for your plants. So I also have on my Amazon favorite list some of my favorite soil amendments, fertilizers that Amazon sells, of course. My favorite soil to use in the garden. Oh, and don't forget, you guys, sun protected clothing. Like, I be coming out, like, don't get me wrong, you guys know I always have my Lalascrops shirts, but you know, like when I do garden work, I don't wear my little Lalascrops shirts. It's very important to protect your skin from the sun. I decided to get me some sun protected clothing when I'm out in the garden, so I have also provided that on my Amazon favorite list. So if you guys are interested in seeing what I have added to my Amazon favorite list, don't forget to check the description box below for details. All right, so let's jump right into the video. All right, you guys, so now I'm going to plant my cabbage plants, and the variety that I'm growing is called Superstar Cabbage. And I received these seeds from Haas Tools. If you are interested in purchasing this variety or any seeds from Haas Tools, you guys, check out my description box below for more details. These grew very well for me indoors, you guys. So I usually like to transplant my seedlings once they produce about 3 true leaves, and that's when I like to place them out into the garden. Of course, I did harden these plants off already, and another suggested tip is to plant them in the evening when the sun is basically going down. All right, so I have already added Trifecta Plus down in here. I think that's too deep. So now I'm going to just go ahead and put my plants in here. And like I said, you guys, I have already amended this soil using the Roots Organic. My thing is coming off, you guys, and it's aggravating me. Alright, I'm trying to pull the leaves up so that they won't get too much soil on it. Alright, so we got the cabbage in here. 1 cabbage plant. So now I'm going to do the rest. All right, you guys, so now I have the cabbage plants transplanted, and my layout is not looking the best right now because, you guys, this raised bed, we were not able to go in and use a screw to attach the twine, so I had to use like these little pegs, and they have decided to come off of the pegs. So yeah, so I'm trying to use what I can of the layout, and yeah, so yeah, that's so that I can go in and do my peppers next. Let's see, my onions, there we go. All right, so I just need oh, come on. All right, there we go. All right, so now I'm going to do my peppers. This is also Carolina bell pepper, and these are resistant towards nematodes, you guys. I wanted to grow these varieties since I experienced nematode damage last year. Not necessarily on my pepper plants, it's really on my tomatoes, but why not try to find as many varieties that's resistant towards nematodes as possible, right? Right. I'm going to plant this cantaloupe. There we have it. Got a cantaloupe planted. Now I'm going to do the honeydew next. All right, you guys, let me work back here. That's it. Till I get some more. Now I can plant the honeydew. Okay, keep the tag right here so I can distinguish between the two. I don't know. All right, place this back down in here. Yeah, there we go. Whew. You know what? I think it needs a little. Okay, there we go. All right, you guys, so I have planted my cabbage plants. I have a total of 4, and the variety is, once again, Superstar Cabbage. And I also planted my Carolina bell peppers, you guys, in this raised bed. So I also showed you how I planted this cantaloupe over here that will grow up on the arch, and the honeydew over here, you guys. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to do 4 things, you guys. Like, comment, subscribe, and also hit that bell notification so that you get notified once I post a new video. I will see you guys in my next video. As always, happy gardening. Peace.